Hello my dear friends, today we will do a simple hairstyle. I make a parting from ear to ear and I collect all the nape zone into a ponytail. I curl all the hairs with a 32mm curling iron with a classic technique. And I also curl the ponytail to give some direction. I put a little piece of sponge around the ponytail and I fix it with some bobby pins. You can put some cream now, a little amount of cream. I use Tame Wild from Schwarzkopf and I will give more shine and also will glue all our little baby hair. And I will comb every strand to give this direction. We can twist it a little bit to give a more beautiful direction, and I fix it with a hairpin at the base of the ponytail. We put some hairspray to fix every strand that we are working. Like this, we will take every strand we have on top and on the sides zone and direct them to our ponytail. Comb it, put some cream and twist a little bit and put it at the base of the ponytail with a hairpin. And don't forget to add some hairspray to fix every strand. I use a curling iron from Babyliss, a curling of 32mm. If you take very thin strands, it would be more beautiful to see. We will give a more natural look. And like this, we took every strand that we have curl in the top area and the side zone. This cream, it's a very good cream. It's good for frizz also. And I like it very much on this kind of works. You can use it also for braiding. The comb, it's a very good comb. It's a carbon comb. It's from Fajik. And it's good to have it in your purse. Every hairpin that we put at the base of the ponytail, we will take it off after we gather all the strands. And like this, step by step, we will take every strand we have to the base of the ponytail. It's a very commercial hairstyle. You can do it with your clients. They will be very happy to have this hairstyle because it's very elegant and very simple, and it's very fast to do also. You can do it also in layer haircut and the medium size haircut. We have to fill all the spaces we have. It's more about thick is the hair or how thin is the hair. So if your client has a lot of hair, it's very easy to put this method, this technique in practice. If she has thin hair or a little amount of hair, it will be more difficult, but if you backcombing a little bit, you will give some volume. I will let some hair for the face framing to the end of the hairstyle if you want. If you don't want, you don't have to let this hair. And I will work the last strand because it's very thick hair. I will split it in two, put some cream and give the direction to the base of the ponytail. Twisting just a little bit to give a little direction, but I don't want to twist it a lot. This mannequin that I have, she has little hair because I used her a lot of times, and now she has some little amount of hair, but still I can work with her. And now from the hair that I let for the face framing, I will separate very thin hair, put some hairspray and I will let them naturally fall on the head. And I will do the strand that I let for the face framing. I will separate a little bit the hair, comb it, and give a little bit of direction. Not very curl, just a little bit of movement. And I fix it with the hairspray. When you put the hairspray, you have to blow a little bit to dry the hairspray, and after touch it with your hand, because if you don't blow, you're gonna glue your finger and you will ruin your texture. And now all the hair I gather it at the base of the ponytail, I will fix with an elastic and two bobby pins. And all the ponytail, I will divide it in two sections. And I will work very simple. I will put some cream to give more shine out to our hairstyle. I will comb a little bit. I have this kind of comb. It's also from Fajik, and then it has a little, and I put some hairspray to fix the shape I give. And now I will twist like this. I take the first one and I twist it to the right side a little bit and open a little bit the rib, some texture, but not very high. I want natural look. And I will fix at the base of the ponytail with some bobby pins. If you can, you have to put the bobby pins into the ponytail, into the elastic of the ponytail. And now I will work with the second. I will take the second. I will comb it, put some cream, comb it, fix it a little bit with the hairspray, and go in the opposite direction. twist a little bit and go in the left side now and fix it with some bobby pins also. The ends of this ponytail I will hide it around our hairstyle and fix it with some bobby pins also. If you want to work them, you can also, but I have a little amount of hair, so I will put it like this and hide it. And this is our hairstyle. Hope you will like it. Favor this video if you want to practice. See you on my next videos. Bye bye. Thank you.